Hola clase, real quickly showing you how to use the auto record functions in PowerPoint as well as other like Google Slides. So I'm going to show you a couple of those things real quickly. If you could just follow along with the PowerPoint that I have on my screen here, that would be very helpful for you. Again, we're going to start off here with the first one. It says option 1, which is going to be, your PowerPoint record feature. And so the step to do that is first, which PowerPoint should you be using? So make sure you're using the desktop version of PowerPoint. I can't stress that enough. Right now you can kind of tell that I'm in the desktop version. It's actually a full window that has the desktop on it. The other version that I have real quickly here, let me see if I can find it, is something like this. You'll notice that it has like a web address. It actually looks a little bit different than what you have listed for assignments and whatnot, so it'll show a little bit differently. It just doesn't have the full functionality that you need in order to do the assignment to the best of your ability. So please do not use your online version. Please use your desktop version. If you use Google Slides, like for example something like this here, that's fine as well. You're just going to be limited on the functionality on how to record and everything, and I have a workaround for that. Okay. The next step to do a recording in the main desktop PowerPoint is you need to go to the ribbon. So I'm going to go to the ribbon. This is the ribbon up here at the top. You're going to go to Insert, and then you're going to scroll all the way down till you see Audio. Then you're going to click on Audio, and then you're going to say Record Audio. Okay, and then it has a little recording icon here. I'm just going to move that to the side so you can keep watching the directions here. You're going to hit the little record button. You're going to record something. And then if you're good, you're going to hit stop. And then you're going to hit OK. And then you'll notice that the icon came right in the center. And you can't see it well because I'm on a white screen here for the slide, but you can see it when you hover over it. Okay. If you want to listen to it, you can click on it and record and listen. If you don't like it, then you would just click on it and then hit delete. Okay, which I am going to do here just for a second. Okay. Again, you want to do one recording per slide. So if you're going to be talking about your mom or your parents, for example, then you should have just a recording of you talking about just your parents. If you're talking about cousins, then you're talking about just your cousins, that sort of thing. Okay. Then when step 3 for this is then move the icon. Then you can move the icon somewhere else on the screen. Ideally, do not put it in the center of your slide, because what ends up happening is if you put a picture over that slide, over that audio recording icon, then I can't see it. That means I don't give you credit for it because you didn't speak, because I can't find it. So I'm just going to show you again. Here's it is in the center. I would just keep it in the same location every single time on your slide. So for example, the lower right-hand corner of the screen works really well. The upper right-hand corners, just the corners in general, work really well. That way I know where it's going. The other option you have for doing recording is using Vocaroo. And Vocaroo is, you're going to go to vocaroo.com. And then it's spelled exactly like that. It's an online recording site in which you can record audio. You can actually get a hyperlink of that audio. You can download that audio. It's a really neat website. So let me show you what that looks like here. Maybe it's being dumb. There we go. So here's what Vocaroo looks like. Again, it's very simple. So you're going to hit the record button. Talk, record, whatever you want to do. If you're happy with it, you can play it back and listen to it. Whatever it may be. All right, and then you can hit stop. Again, you can listen to it. Okay, and then you're going to hit save and share. And then there's a couple options here. So you can download the audio file as an MP3 if you're more welcome to do that. I really like you just clicking on the audio, the link here, especially if you're going to use Google Slides, because Google does limit you how you can upload audio onto a slide. So I just copied the audio file, and it shows you like you copied the link. And then I'm going to go into my Google slide that I have made up for this class, not that one. Here we go. And say, for example, I need to now copy and paste it. So I'm just going to go Control V. And then I need to make sure I hit the space bar right after it. So then now it's a hyperlink. So when you submit that into Schoology and I want to listen to your audio file, I can actually just click on that through the PowerPoint viewing system for a teacher, and it shows it right away and I can listen to it. Okay, so that's really important that you do it that way. Again, follow along with the process I just did, and then making sure you copy and paste the link. Again, making sure you add that space bar, add a space at the end so it activates the link automatically. Again, make sure you have your links all in the same location on a Google slide as well. I can't stress that enough. It's been really difficult in general when I can't find a link. If I can't hear you, I can't give you credit for the assignment. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and if so, just let me know during class. Thank you.